lion. Can you see? It's a lovely costume. It's a Chinese costume for dancing, and it's got a very beautiful tail at the back. Can you see that lovely tail? Now, because it's a costume, that means I can go inside. Are you ready? Hello? Can you still see me? Do you know it's me? And I've got a very special cable in here, and if I pull it this way, oh, look what happens. He winks his eye. Need to lift up a little bit. He's got a bit of a lazy eye there, I think. So, are you ready? I'm going to show you a little lion dance, and we can join in a moment. But before I teach you the dance, I need you to hold out some cabbages, because that's what happens. They dangle cabbages from the lampposts in China so that the dragons and the lions can come along and eat them. They must be vegetarian dragons and lions.